must be a good thing. Another night ruined, I don't even know when we became.
I decided to film today. Moving my beauty room around. I don't know. I'm gonna keep this section here the same. This part right here where I film, I'm gonna keep it the same. But my desk where I have, like, you know, I do my Bible journaling, my Bible studying, things like that, I want to put it on this side. So I basically wanted to be my reading, you know, spending time with God, Bible on my desk, filming and stuff over here. And then I want to keep this area a little bit open because I want to do something different to it. I don't know what yet, but I'll figure it out. So yeah, guys, that's what I'm going to do today. And of course, cleaning it, organizing, because it kind of gets a little disorganized, and vacuum closet as well. This closet, I've organized it, guys, so many times, organized it and all that good stuff. But it's like, it always gets disorganized, and so I have to, in another video I will figure this out too, because I want to put something in here. I want to put like a dresser in there and keep these doors open. I just want to make it nice and cute and very aesthetic. But, and then of course on this side, I wanted to show you guys this. On this side I have, of course, my Bath and Body Works body sprays, lotions, but then I also have all my stuff for my shop, my website, my online website, which I do have lashes, I have liquid lipsticks, and also lip glosses, guys. So if you guys want to purchase, make sure I will leave everything linked down below so you guys can check out my shop. My lashes are 100% handmade. They are so lightweight, so nice. I love them. I've used them myself, and I wear contacts, so they're really good for people who wear contacts. They do not bother me or anything like that. So check out my Instagram as well if you guys want to check that out. My liquid lipsticks as well, they're amazing. They smell good, they're hydrating to the lips, they're moisturizing. And in here I have the lip glosses. Those also are very hydrating and really nice and affordable. So check my website, guys, and make a purchase or spread the word. I will really appreciate it, guys. So I have this little section here. Of course, I have my little business card, my thank you cards, and I have all the things for the brushes to brush your lashes and to apply your lashes. So just for now, I put it here organized just because I want to have it nice. And also I did add scrubs, so if you guys want to check that out as well. But anyways, guys, I will do a separate video on my shop and all that. So for now, I just wanted to show you guys that this is how I use this little basket that I have. I just have it like on the wall, and then I have like all the prices of my items and things like that, and I just keep it here. So yeah, guys, so let's get into this cleaning and organizing and moving the room around. So yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is the final look. I'm so happy the way it came out. Sorry because I where I hold my phone to film. But yeah, this air is nice and clean. Vacuumed. Love the way it came out. This side I just cleaned it, organized it. Don't mind that stuff right there. That's for my business. These are the scrubs right here. If anyone be interested, I will upload a future video on that, like I'm talking more about my business and stuff like that. But yeah, this is all nice and clean. I love when my beauty room is clean, guys, because I get inspired to want to film. Like my little lights on, they're so cute. And then this how my desk came out. I really like it over here, only because I have all my little faith-based posters here, like pictures like live, laugh, and love, faith, hope, and love. And also this gift that I got. The best teachers teach from the heart, not from the book. Really love that. I got it from one of my students years ago, and I've kept it ever since. And then I also added this, let go and let God. So I kind of want to just, this one corner to be like my desk, of course, my where I do my Bible journaling, my editing, and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to have it a little bit separate. So I'm actually happy the way it came out. That little rug, I got it from 5 and Below. But yeah, I just love it. Looks nice. And then from this angle, it just looks so nice, guys. Look at that. Nothing better than having a clean room. Nice. Now I'm ready to film and get inspired. So yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on all my socials. And like I always say,